Good morning all. So children, how do you do? How was your day, children? It was good? Very good. So, I hope all my children are safe and healthy. You know children, it is very cold. Yes? So, keep yourself warm, okay? And don't be sick. So children, it's a very beautiful day and today is Friday. Yes children, yesterday was Thursday and today is Friday. Yes, okay. Now, who is ready for today's class? Is everyone ready? Very good. Good children. Okay children, let's start. So children, all of you know that yesterday we have learned which sound children? B sound. Very good. Big standing line and a curve. Do with me children. Big standing line and a curve for B sound. Yes. B for book. B for banana. B for boat. B for bell. B for basket. B for bat. B for ball. Yes. And what was the song of B sound children? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Go to park to play. Yes. So children, now we will learn next sound and that is K. Say K. What sound children? K. It is K sound. K. Cat. K. Cat. Very good. Okay. Now we will see some pictures of K sound. See children, it is a cup. Cup. Yes. What is this children? Cup. Yes. And this is K for cap. Cap. And what is this children? All of you know. K for cat. Cat. And what is this? This is K for car. Car. Cat. Car. Okay. Now it is very yummy. What is this children? K for cake. Cake. And what is this? K for candle. Candle. Cake. Candle. And what is this, children? K for carrot. K, carrot. And what is this? K for corn. K, corn. K, carrot. K, corn. Okay, children. So, we have learned some vocabulary words of K sound. K, how to make K, children? Make a curve. Yes, do with me, children. A curve for K sound. Curve, K sound. K, cat. K, car. K, cup. K, cap. K, carrot. K, corn. K, cake. K, candle. Yes, children. Okay. And what is the song of K sound, children? We are clapping our hands, K. We are clapping our hands, clapping our hands. We are clapping our hands, K. We are clapping our hands, K. We are clapping our hands, clapping our hands. We are clapping our hands, K. Okay, children. So, today we have learned K sound. Okay. And now we will do some work of K sound. Okay, children. So, today we will learn K sound. Which sound, children? K sound. Okay. I have some Play-Doh. You can see here. You can take atta also. Okay. So, with this Play-Doh, take a small piece of Play-Doh and roll it with your fingers, or you can roll it like this. And what you have to do, children, we have to make only curve for K sound. Which sound is this, children? It is a K sound. One more time, children. Take Play-Doh and roll it with your hand. Now we will make a big K sound. Which sound, children? K sound. K for clapping. K for cat. Now make a curve like this. Which sound is this, children? K sound. Yes. We are clapping our hands. K. We are clapping our hands, clapping our hands. We are clapping our hands, K. We are clapping our hands, K. We are clapping our hands, clapping our hands. We are clapping our hands, K. See. Make a curve with Play-Doh and make a K sound. A curve for K sound. Yes, children. This is very easy. K sound, and you can make yourself, and you have to make yourself K sound. Okay. ये बहुत easy है children. K for K sound Play-Doh से बनाना बहुत easy है. You have to make only a curve for K sound. Okay. Now take Play-Doh, or you can ask for atta to your mama and make K sound. Okay. So till then, children, Keep practicing making k sound and vocabulary words of k sound and its song, and we will meet again with new activity of k sound. Okay children, till then keep practicing and be safe. Bye bye.